Bread Financial is one of those fintech companies that tries to do a little bit of everything: credit cards, savings accounts, loans, and even a buy now, pay later service. Like, it's basically aiming to be a one-stop shop for personal finance, which can be super convenient if you like keeping everything under one roof. But the big question is, does it actually deliver on making your financial life easier? Let's break it down. First off, the savings account is actually pretty competitive. They're offering a 4.40% APY on a high yield savings account, which is solid compared to big traditional banks that usually give you next to nothing. There are no monthly fees or hidden charges, and it's FDIC insured, so your money is safe. That's a big plus. If you're looking for a simple way to grow your savings without worrying about unnecessary costs eating into your earnings, the only catch is that there's a $100 minimum deposit to get started. Not a huge barrier, but something to keep in mind. Now, their credit card offerings are where things get interesting. The Bread Cashback American Express card gives you unlimited 2% cash back on purchases, no annual fee, and no foreign transaction fees, which is honestly a great deal. If you're someone who wants a no-fuss cashback card without having to worry about rotating categories or limits, this is a strong option. They also have brand-specific credit cards like the Victoria's Secret MasterCard or the NFL Extra Points Visa, which are more about store perks than everyday spending. But here's the thing. While Bread Financial's cards are decent, they don't really stand out in a market filled with big name competitors offering similar or better rewards. If you're already using a top tier rewards card from Chase, Amex, or Citi, switching to Bread might not make sense unless you really value the simplicity of a flat 2% cash back. They also have Bread Pay, which is their buy now, pay later service. This is great if you like the idea of splitting up payments without using a credit card. The process is pretty straightforward. You shop online or in-store, choose Bread Pay at checkout, and pick a payment plan that fits your budget. The good news? No hidden fees or deferred interest. The downside? It's still a loan, and depending on your credit, the interest rates may not be as friendly as they make it seem. It's a useful tool if you need flexibility, but like any financing option, you have to be careful not to overextend yourself. Overall, Bread Financial is a solid choice if you want simple, no-frills financial products that don't nickel and dime you with fees. The savings account is definitely worth a look, and the 2% cashback card is a strong contender if you like easy rewards. But if you're looking for premium perks, travel rewards, or the absolute best rates on financing, you might find better options elsewhere. It's a good fit for people who want a straightforward way to manage their money without dealing with overly complicated terms or gimmicks.